Hi, I'm Christina from 2H Media, and I'm going to explain the differences between advertising on Meta versus Google. I'll go into some of the key differentiators of each platform to help you decide where to advertise. Meta ads can appear on Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and their audience network of third-party apps and websites. On Meta, you can advertise to people with specific interests based on the accounts they follow and the content they consume. It allows you to have very visual advertisements with formats such as images, videos, carousels, and slideshows. Meta ads are effective for creating a strong brand presence and engaging users with visual content. The Meta network is very effective for selling directly to consumers, as many of its user base are using their platforms outside of office hours. Google, on the other hand, has a very different advertising platform. Ads can appear on Google Search, YouTube, Google Shopping, and Google's display network, which includes millions of websites, apps, and Google-owned properties such as Gmail. It allows you to target audiences based on demographics, interests, and what they might be searching for at a given time. Google is effective for lead generation because it targets in-market users. Search ads in particular are excellent for capturing users who are looking for particular products or services. Google provides many ad formats, such as text ads, images, videos, and shopping ads. Google's ad formats can cater to various stages of the customer journey, from awareness to conversion. If you're looking to advertise to businesses, Google is a great platform as it's used by many professionals during work hours. If anything in this video sounds relevant to your business, I encourage you to book a free strategy session with one of our experts. We'll take the time to get to know your business, develop a plan that makes sense for you, and answer any burning questions you may have so that you can move forward with confidence and clarity. If that sounds impactful, book a strategy session. And in the meantime, thanks for watching.